The missus tells me once you go broad, you never go back.
This is a hot dog!
At what point do you go broad match keywords? When you need more volume, or you're hunting for exacts. Put simply, if you're happy with the level of spend, conversions, etc., then don't touch anything. Easy. Until that situation changes, you could live on exact matches forever. But I get it, you want to play in the broad streets. So just make sure your CPA or ROAS is where it needs to be, preferably better. Then simply roll out broad versions of your top performing exact match keywords. Really easy. But don't skip the query work. Add negatives. Keep an eye on your queries. Add negatives. Rinse, repeat. Don't skip the query work. It's part of your routine. So do we pause our exact matches when we add broads? No, run them together. Keep doing that until the metrics tell you otherwise. When should you add exact matches from the search term report? So when you have strong impressions, strong conversion performance, decent click metrics, at least 30 to 50 impressions per month, you're good to go. Otherwise you'll just bloat your ad groups with underserving keywords. If you're struggling with good message match for the exact keyword to the current ad, move it to another ad group or create its own ad group. Then negative that exact match against the ad group it came out of. This stops cannibalization. So do we leave exacts and broads to compete with each other? Yeah, because Google will prioritize the exact match unless the broad can get you a click cheaper. And typically this works out okay. So if we find loads of queries that meet the minimum impression rate, why not just add them all? Adding lots of exact keywords doesn't mean Google's going to favor them over your broad match keywords. So adding too many keywords is a diminishing return, especially when you combine broads and exacts together. Consider broad match the cake and exacts are your icing. But doesn't adding more exacts to an ad group improve your quality score? Who gives a f? Don't focus on quality score. Quality score is a diagnosis. It's for fixing things. It's not a performance metric. A low or middling quality score doesn't mean you necessarily have issues, especially if your other metrics are on target. Good click-through rate, good CPC, healthy conversion rate. Quality score suggests that you can tweak and improve things. Better ad, move the keyword to another ad group, improved landing page, and so on. Anyway, enough about quality score. Don't hate the broads.